Okay, Froggy, you're on camera. Are you gonna chirp and gurgle and... Yeah. Yeah, what else do you have to say? That's very interesting. Do you have any more thoughts to add? Okay. Would you like to counter that with anything? Gurgle, gurgle? No more gurgles? You're very talkative. Seem like you have a lot to say. Got a lot on your mind. Did we just go for a walk? Yeah, we went for a walk. Yeah. You gonna babble any more for the camera, my froggy? No more babbling? That's too cute. It's too cute. I can't take it. My little gurgler. Okay. To YouTube we go.